go ahead and get this thing installed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to make sure you got all the cotter pins.
There you go.
I can tell. Smart work. Put some D10 in on the end. It's a new button.
There you go. There you go. Alright. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, it's locked in place. We're going to run the cable through the pulley. After we put it in freewheel mode,
Free.
Pull it in.
okay, flip it around. Now see, freewheel. So get it on there solid. There you go, and then push forward. There you go. Okay. And then the cable's going to run freely unless you need it to follow the rest. Alright, now do a quick yank on it. Make sure the full rest is working.
It'll say okay and
Is it working?
Yank on it.
Do it real good.
When it stops.
There you got it.
Who's going in?
Alright. Okay. Alright, hang on a second. Let's try again. Okay, we got a little issue. Let's get